Where's the dad? Where is he? Should be protecting. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. I'll throw him some sourdough. Honk, honk. Watch, he'll come out of the night. Honk, honk. Where is he? He'll be coming. Here he comes. Look, you guys. He comes to my call because he knows I'm going to feed him. Look, he's coming out of the night. See, he's coming to me. There he is. He's swimming. I'll give him something to eat. Honk, honk. There he is, you guys. He came. I don't know if I can hold this and throw at the same time. I don't want to drop my camera. But let's see. There's the pond. Let's see if I can do this. No, I gotta put it down. One moment, please. Honk, honk. There he is. I didn't make it to the water. There he comes. See? I call him and he comes. They nested here because of me. I would call to them. They were at the front pond. And every time I went by my bike, I would call to them and feed them. And then they started following me here. I am not kidding you. Levi was going to get me a GoPro to put on top of my head so you guys could see, in fact, that these two geese followed me.